You're going to open the glove box. Pull this tab out. What you can do is push it in and pull down. Sometimes it's kind of hard. Make sure the air is facing upward. Put this back, and that's it.